Hello students, today I will take your English text. And good morning to all of you. Very good morning to all of you. And the topic, Mittu and the yellow mango. Mittu and the yellow mango. Yes, so we have read the chapter and also we have practiced some spellings from here. And now today open to page number 47. Today we will solve the question and answers. So all of you take out your copies. Today we will solve the question and answers. So all of you take out your copies. And see, the reading is fun part. Reading is fun. There you can see 3 questions. In reading is fun. There you can see 3 questions. Let's solve these. All of you take out your copies and write it down. Okay. First question. What did... All of you can see me and hear me now? Let me know. All of you can see me and hear me through the chat box. Okay. Thank you. First question. What did Mittu see on the tree? What did Mittu see on the tree? We can write the answer like let's see what you have to say. Let me see. Mittu mango. Yes, Bithika, very good. Mittu saw a big... Bithika, the spelling of Mittu is M-I-T-T-U, dear. So the answer will be Mittu saw a big yellow mango. A big yellow mango on the tree. Mittu saw a big yellow mango on the tree. Write it down. Mittu saw a big yellow mango on the tree. Okay? Write it down without any mistake. Yes, Mittu saw a mango on the tree. Yes, you can write the answer like this. You will write it what I have written on the board. Question number 2. What did the big black crow say? What did the big black crow say? The big black crow said, the big black crow said, yes, cow, cow, go away. Cow, cow, go away. This is my tree. This is my tree. This is the big black crow said to Mittu. What did the big black crow say? The big black crow said, cow, cow, go away. This is my tree, within quotation. Like as I have written within quotation, cow, cow, go away. This is my tree. Write it down. All of you write it down, and now I will erase. First question, what did Mittu see on the tree? Answer will be, Mittu saw a big yellow mango on the tree. Mittu saw a big yellow mango on the tree. And the second question, yes Arushi, I am repeating. What did the big black crow say? What did the big black crow say? The answer will be, the big black crow said, cow, cow, go away. This is my tree. Cow, cow, go away. This is my tree. Completed, all of you? Now will I erase? I want to know from all of you. The big black crow said, cow, cow, go away. This is my tree. Okay, then I'm erasing now. Question number 3. What did Mittu see under the tree? What did Mittu see under the tree? So the answer is, we all know that Mittu saw a red balloon under the tree. Yes, very good. Mittu saw. The answer will be Mittu saw a red balloon under the tree. What did Mittu see under the tree? Answer will be, Mittu saw a red balloon under the tree. Mittu saw a red balloon under the tree. Write it down. Write it down, all of you. So, what did Mittu see under the tree? Mittu saw a red balloon under the tree. Mittu saw a red balloon under the tree. And the second question also is here. I have not erased it. Yes, Mittu saw a red balloon under the tree. Okay. Antara, write it down correctly, dear. See on the board what I have written, write that only. Mittu saw a red balloon under the tree. Completed, all of you? I will erase now and I will do the let's talk part now. All of you completed? And the other ones? Okay, and the other ones, let me know. Okay, I am erasing now. Now let's see the let's talk part. Okay. Let's talk part. You can see here, you can also see there are 3 questions and answers. 3 questions that I will discuss. First one, let's talk part answers. You can also do at your home. I'm just discuss a bit, then you can understand. Do you like eating mangoes? So, you can tell the answer. Do you like eating mangoes? Yes or no? It is up to you. I like mangoes. It's my personal thought. So, what do you think? Do you like mangoes? Yes, I like eating mangoes. We can write the answer like this. Though you know the answers, but till you write the answers in your copy, okay? Yes, I like eating mangoes. Though you know the answers, you will also write it in your copy. Completed? Yes, I like to eat. All of us like to eat mangoes. And I also. In the second question, yes. In the second question, we can see. Second question. Do you like green mangoes? Why? Do you like? Any of you like green mangoes? Or not? Any of you like green mangoes? Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Okay, you like Vithika. You like green mangoes. It is very tasty. No, Arushi, you didn't like green mangoes. I also don't like. So we can write it like, why we don't like? Because green mangoes are sour in taste, isn't it? Yes, it's very sour, Arushi. Yes, it is. No, I do not like green mangoes. Some of you are liking green mangoes, so you can write, yes, I like green mangoes, like Zarin. You can write it, yes, I like green mangoes because its flavor you like. Yes, you can write it. I am writing with the answer no. You can also write it with the answer yes. You can also write this answer with yes. Vithika, you like sour. Okay, good. You can also write it with yes. But here, because I don't like green mangoes, that's why I have written this. I don't like green mangoes because they are sour in taste. Okay, these are completed, I hope so. Will I erase? And the last question is left from here. Yes, Antara, because I like mango pickle. Okay. Number 3. Number 3. Do you like yellow mangoes? Why? This is the answer we all know. We all like yellow mangoes. We all like. I also personally like. Very much. I like very much yellow mangoes. They are sweet and juicy. Yes. I like yellow mangoes because they are sweet and juicy in flavor. We all like. We all like yellow mangoes. Yes, we all like yellow mangoes because I like their sweet and juicy flavor. We all like yellow mangoes because of their sweet and juicy flavor. They have sweet flavor, yes, Zarina. Hana, like yellow mangoes, yes. Antara. Yes, I like yellow mangoes because it is very sweet and juicy in flavor. Yes, all of you. So, today I have completed the question and answers part, means the reading is fun and the let's talk part today. And the rest part of exercises I will do in your next classes. Okay. So, today is up to this. So, today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye.